Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we've got something truly special, the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the stunning titanium jet black. We're going to unbox it, take a first look at its design, dive into its key features, and give you our initial hands-on impressions. Let's see if this phone lives up to the hype. Alright, let's crack this thing open. The box itself is pretty standard Samsung fare, sleek and minimalist. Inside, we've got the S25 Ultra, of course, nestled right on top. Underneath, you'll find the usual suspects, a USB-C charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some documentation. No charging brick included, sadly. Taking the phone out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is the weight. It feels incredibly premium and solid in hand. The titanium jet black finish is absolutely gorgeous, shifting between deep black and subtle gray depending on the light. Samsung has refined the design language even further this year. The edges are slightly more squared off, giving it a more modern and industrial look. The camera module on the back is still prominent, but it's been integrated more seamlessly into the overall design. The phone feels incredibly durable, thanks to the titanium frame and the latest Gorilla Glass armor. The buttons are tactile and responsive, and the overall build quality is top-notch. This is definitely a phone that feels like it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Let's talk about that display. It's a massive 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the brightness is incredible. This screen is perfect for watching videos, playing games, or just browsing the web. The S25 Ultra also boasts impressive stereo speakers tuned by AKG. The sound is loud, clear, and well-balanced, making it a joy to listen to music or watch movies without headphones. Now, for the main event, the camera. Samsung has always been a leader in mobile photography, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. It features a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a massive 200MP primary sensor. We also have an ultra-wide lens, a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a periscope lens with 10x optical zoom. The camera app is packed with features and shooting modes, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos in any situation. In our initial testing, the image quality is outstanding. The photos are sharp, detailed, and have excellent dynamic range. The low-light performance is also significantly improved compared to previous generations. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 9 Gen 4 processor. This chip is an absolute beast, delivering blazing fast performance in everything from everyday tasks to demanding games. The phone runs on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 9.0 on top. The software is clean, intuitive, and packed with customization options. Samsung has also promised 5 years of software updates, ensuring that your phone stays up to date for years to come. The S25 Ultra packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a full day of heavy use. It also supports 65W fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are also supported. So, what are our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Well, it's safe to say that we're impressed. The design is stunning, the display is gorgeous, the camera is incredible, and the performance is top-notch. This is a true flagship phone that offers everything you could want and more. Of course, it comes with a hefty price tag, but if you're looking for the best of the best, the S25 Ultra is definitely worth considering. We'll be putting this phone through its paces over the next few weeks, so stay tuned for our full review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.